Hi everyone, I wanted to share some embellishments that I made using some of these streamers. So basically I just took the streamer about 6 inches and left maybe an inch and cut the rest out. Used a base of a scratch paper which measured about 2.5 to 3 inches. Rolled glue or tape on here, and I just, put the streamers on here. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that you could just watch and do it. And that's how I went about that. Then I went ahead and put another scraps of paper lining it with two, and use a pop dot with a circle, a bat that I have from my punch here. And yeah, and so I used circle punches as well for these ones right here. So I used 2 sizes. But yeah, I just stapled them using my Tim Holtz stapler because it's a bit small and it doesn't really show, but you can use regular stapler as well. But I thought these were perfect for using your scraps and then embellishing your tags or mini albums. So as you could see here, you could have went and designed, put that on there instead on your tags if you wanted to give out tags. Here you go, you can just put this on there as well, or even this, and just stamp Happy Halloween and put a little candy on here. Many ideas that you can find on YouTube, but I just wanted to share what I've been creating this weekend. So if you guys, want to make some do-it-yourself embellishment, you can do that. Right now, because of me not going to the stores with this pandemic, I've been creating and making my own embellishment. So I hope you guys like it, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.